Hey, hey, friend, I got some areas here that need welding, bro. I don't know if you want to do some welding today. All right, so we just finished primering the CUDA. We took it out of the paint booth, we brought it over here, and now we get to see all the imperfections. When it was bare metal, it was kind of hard. You had the lights reflecting off of it. You had some epoxy primer on there as well. So it made it really hard. So now we can see where we need to plug weld some holes that we left there. We need to go in there with a little bit of filler. We need to grind some stuff down. So that's what we're doing. Once we're done with that, we're gonna sand it all down again, take it back in there, shoot a couple more coats of primer, and that's where we're at, that's what we're doing. Body filler gets a bad rap. Why? Because a lot of people put it on wrong. They don't prep the surface right, they lay it on too thick, they cake it on there. That's not what we're doing, guys. Body filler is not a bad thing. It's your friend. Even from the factory, people would put body filler on these cars. So if you use it right and you do it right, there's nothing wrong with it. As you can see, we're putting a little bit of body filler there in the trunk area. Again, it's not a lot, guys. It's very minimal. We'll sand it down. We'll just keep what we need. You couldn't get a car done without body filler, especially in the outer panels. You'll see when we get there and we start straightening out the car, you're gonna see us putting some filler on the quarter panels, on the doors, on the fenders. It's just the way it is, guys. It's the way it is.
Filler, hurry up, let me see what you got. No, I'm looking at me. No, come on. You see you talking smack. Let me see what you got. Sean.
I'm doing the welding.
Just mix it, hurry up. You're never gonna learn like that, friend. What's wrong with you? Oh, over here?
Yeah, so that tells you how to. Are you
follow it? That's all we need, 2 inches.
2 inches for every square inch.
You need 2 ounces. This, bro?
Good, go for it, go for it.
2 inches for every square inch. What's a square inch?
Bro, you're gonna do the whole car or what?
Wait a minute. How much are we using?
2 inches.
That was it, wait, no?
Can you tell the people on YouTube land
what we're doing?
What you're doing?
I ain't doing nothing, bro. Hey, which is the hardener?
You're doing something.
Is this it, bro, or no? Then how much hardener, bro?
Reconstruction.
So what you want to do is you want like a 2 inch line for every so squeeze it on there, bro. I'll tell you where to stop. Right there. That's good. All right, start mixing it, man. Start mixing it.
Dang.
It's all right. It's all right. You're doing good. You're doing good. You're making a little bit of mess. It's all got to be one color, Caesar.
What?
Like mix it in.
Yeah, mix it in. Mix it in. Yeah, there you go, like that. So you didn't put a whole lot of hardener, so you got time. But
watch and learn, friend.
But everybody out there on YouTube land, this is really not the way to mix filler, but it's Caesar's first time, so he's doing good.
For a beginner, it's good. Well, not a beginner. But
well, for your first time.
Yeah.
You're the bomb, bro. You know how to put it on too or no?
Where we at? You're not gonna learn like that. Hey, what are you doing over there?
Hey, Chon, maybe you should help Caesar before it dries on him. Ah, man, we should have turned the car over.
What?
Well, it's just easier. Gravity's your friend.
That looks good, dude.
It's good or what?
That actually looks good.
Good?
That's it. That's all we need.
What?
I don't know why you mixed them up.
What? Just squeeze it in there, Caesar.
Yeah, just do that.
Cool. Where else? Man, you made a lot, Caesar.
I told y'all.
That's good. So you can see those spot welds right there. Those hold the center console in place. Well, those brackets hold the center console in place, the shifter and all that. So those spot welds, we made them look like that because from the factory, that's kind of the way they looked. You know, these cars were done quick, fast, and so we took pictures of the original welds on these brackets, and we try to replicate them. You can't really see the spot welds right now. Well, I guess you can, but once you start throwing, when we first primered this car, you could definitely see them because the primer was a little bit shinier. We actually went on there and we already scuffed some of it off, but you can see the spot welds there, and they look factory. And so Again, that's what we're trying to achieve here, guys. That factory look. All right, bring it in. Very nice. No, we need both too, so yeah, so here and the bottom too, man, on both sides. So you're gonna weld or what?
Yeah. I'm gonna try. I mean, I've done it.
There is no try.
I've done it like.
Do or do not.
I've done it a couple times.
No, you should be good.
I've done it like once or twice.
Okay, so today we're gonna spot weld the package tray and the backseat braces that go connected to the package tray and the back part of the floorboard. And we're also gonna finish up some welding that we need to do, some plug welds that we need to do. So it's moving along, guys.
It ran, dude. This one ran, dude, bad.
I think you got too much speed. It's good when you hit the wire, when you hit the thing, like you rush it. You try and beat the wire. Come on, you know, instead of using the pulse.
So what's the issue? It's too hot?
That's good, dude.
Nerves. Like lo que pasa que pega, and as soon as it starts melting, John hace quick. You know what I'm saying?
So what are you supposed to do?
Relax.
So relax.
Watch the burn and then control it, because then you try and beat the speed, and you're just all over the place.
Thing is, I try and hurry up because
Yeah,
I don't want to.
You see the wire coming
No,
out.
because I don't want to make a hole. So.
Bro, what is that?
What's up? The hole ran, dude. So I had to put it in more. I don't know. I'm gonna grind it and see where.
Nah, it should be good, bro. That's fine. As long as we grind it down and it's smooth, we should be okay.
Head.
Oh! Dude, what are you doing, dog?
Easy, vato.
Proud of you, man. Proud of you, dog.
He wants to flip the whole car just to get this
Well,
little
man,
thing done.
that's too heavy, dog.
You can get it done, man.
All the way down to the field.
Yeah. That's good, bro. I think we're good, man. Should fit like a glove. Right there, Caesar. Do it, man.
Right there?
Yeah.
Where no?
It's all right. It's all right. Do it again.
Same spot?
Yeah, same spot.
Here you go.
Watch your eyes. There we go.
Right
It's
here.
not hitting anywhere.
Right there.
There we go.
Oh.
That's it, man. What do you think?
It looks like
Caesar.
it
Pull on it.
Oh, yeah, bro.
Pull on it.
Oh.
Put it on high, bro.
What?
Put it on high.
Nice.
That's a good one. Remember, don't let it touch any metal. Yeah, that's right there is good, Caesar. There we go. It's all about cleaning that panel, bro.
Yeah, man. That looks good.
That looks real good.
Okay. Put down. We could probably do this.
No.
Like this.
Yeah, no, that's not gonna work.
Wait a minute, bro. What if we move the car para abajo, bro? Like sideways.
We can. I mean, it's
Huh?
already
Ain't
set.
that better for us?
Yeah, we should be doing that. I don't know why. It's on our rotisserie.
What's wrong with y'all?
Let's try that.
Yes, Caesar, it took you an hour to think about that.
Ooh.
Okay, can we do one? Yeah, let's go pretty good, man.
We're good, man.
This will be strong.
That ain't going nowhere.
Yeah.
Good spot welder, prep the metal. You're gonna get good welds.
Ooh, that look good. Nice. Pretty.
Nice.
Nice. Nice aroni. Cool.
Nice. Proud of you guys. You guys killed it, man. All right, so the car's done. We did what we had to do. We still need to put those braces on, but we'll do that probably tomorrow. We're gonna have to spot weld those, but the car looks good. The package tray looks good. Went on good, went on nice. That Pro spot welder it's legit. I mean, you got a good spot welder, you prep the surface right, it's gonna do what it's supposed to do, and these spot welds are strong. But anyways, looks good. We're happy with it. I think we're done here.